Hey guys, it's Crazy Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video we are going to be going over the Dollar General clearance event list part 2. So this clearance event will begin on January the 29th and run through January the 30th. So in this video we have even more deals to go over, even more coupon matchups, even more freebies and overage. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, please consider doing so. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button because it's a free way that you can help your girl out. And as always, if you have any questions, comments, deals you want to share, or if you just want to say hello, y'all know I love hearing from you, so please leave me a comment down below before you go, and also take a minute and share this video with somebody that you know so that they can get in on these deals as well. Alright guys, let's jump right in. Alright guys, so just a quick friendly reminder before we get into the deals. For anyone who is new to Dollar General clearance events, maybe you've never been to one, maybe you've never even heard of what a Dollar General clearance event is. I have an awesome video. It goes over everything that you need to know about the DG clearance events, and I'm going to leave that video linked in the pinned comment down below, so definitely go and check it out. Also, I want to let y'all know that I did upload the Dollar General clearance event list part 1 video earlier this morning. So if you missed that, definitely go and check that out. I will also leave that linked in the pinned comment down below. And I want to give a big shout out and thank you to my awesome friend Debra Williams-Buss. She's been helping me find some digital coupon matchups, and I forgot to thank her in the last video. So thank you so much, DWB. You know you're awesome. And if any of you out there are not already subscribed to her YouTube channel, you definitely need to go and hit that subscribe button for me, alright? I'm going to leave her YouTube channel also linked in that pinned comment down below, so definitely go and check her out. Alright guys, so for this Dollar General clearance event list part 2 video, we are going to be mainly going over personal care items. So we're going to start off with hair care products, alright? Now I am going to be doing a part 3 where we go over miscellaneous items, automotive, household products, cleaning supplies, paper products, things like that. And you don't want to miss that one. There's some really good items in that one as well. So let's go ahead and run through this. I'm going to do it just like part 1 where I just kind of jump in and tell y'all when we are moving into a new category of items, or if I need to tell you all about a coupon matchup or something like that. All right. So I'm going to go ahead and turn on some background music for y'all, and I hope y'all enjoy the video. Alright guys, so moving right along here, we have our second category of products for this video, and these are all mainly skincare items. So we have lotions, we have face scrubs, we have sunscreen, things like that. So we have some really good coupon matchups in this category as well, and we just have some overall good prices on some really awesome name brand products. Alright guys, so moving right along into our third category of products for this video, we have everything having to do with keeping clean. So we have hand soaps, bar soaps, body washes, shower gels, bath bombs, you name it, it's in here. So I hope y'all enjoy. Alright guys, so I wanted to jump in here really quickly on this awesome deal. We have all kinds of Irish Spring body washes that are going to be just 80 cents after you use this one-off-one insert coupon. And hey, $1.80 for Irish Spring, that's an awesome deal all by itself. But if you have these insert coupons, make sure that you use them on Saturday because that is when they expire. They do expire on January the 29th. So make sure that you are checking your insert coupons for that expiration date because we have a few of them that will be expiring on the 29th. Alright guys, and for our fourth and final category of items for this clearance event video, we have shave products. So we have everything from razors to refills. We have even some electric razors. So these are some really awesome items, and I can't wait to get out to Dollar General on Saturday to pick some up. Alright guys, so we are coming to the end of this video, and I just wanted to take a quick second of your time and tell you all how much I appreciate each and every one of y'all for clicking on this video. I put a ton of time into making all of these slides for you guys this week, so hopefully that will make it easier for y'all. When you go into the store, you'll kind of have pictures and visuals to run off of, and you won't have to spend too much time coming up with prices, and you'll know what to expect kind of going in. So hopefully all of this work will pay off and it's helpful for you guys. And if you could take a second and hit that share button, if you will just share it to your own self. You can send it in a text message or an email, but you guys, when you do that, that really does help me out, and it pushes this video out into the YouTube world even further. So if y'all could just take a second and do that for me, I would truly appreciate it. And like I said at the beginning of this video, I did upload the Dollar General Clearance Event List Part 1 video earlier this morning, so I will leave that link in the pinned comment down below. If you missed it, you definitely want to go and check it out because there are more deals and more coupon matchups in that video. And also, don't forget, if you have never been to a clearance event, you want to go and check out that video. It goes over everything that you need to know about Dollar General clearance events. Alright guys, so that is it for me for now. I hope you all enjoyed this video and I hope it was helpful for you. Now, I'm going to go ahead and start putting together the part 3 of this video, and like I said before, we're going to go over some household items. We have automotive, air care, all kinds of good stuff in that part 3 video. So you don't want to miss it. So go ahead and make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on your notifications so that you'll be notified whenever that video goes live. Also, please give this one a big thumbs up because it is a free way that you can help support my channel. And as always, if you have any questions, comments, deals you want to share, or if you just want to say hello, y'all know I love hearing from you, so please leave me a comment down below before you go. And also take a minute and share this video with somebody that you know so that they can get in on these deals as well. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all have a great day, and I will see you in part 3.